Yesterday. Remember, you hold on tight. Birdies! Yeah, put both hands on it. Pick your foot up nice. There you go. Oh, what a big... Careful! Alright, both feet. Ready... Go! Feet down! Uh-oh! Let your feet up. Wait till you get to the end. There you go. Yay! You better do that again. Yeah, don't poke your eye. Birdies! You better do that slide again, because that was a pretty sorry slide. It ripped. Another one.
I see Poppy.
You do?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go on the ladder again. Show Mommy how you did that again.
This one.
There's one. Birdies everywhere. Yeah. Do the ladder one more time. Hold on tight. Tight. Big foot. Oh, my big girl. Hold on until you get all the way up, okay? Thank you. You ready? I want to push you?
Push.
Okay, ready? Get ready, set, go. But wait till you get down. You didn't do that yesterday. Let's do it again. Silly girl. You're a silly girl. Do it again. You're not supposed to put your feet down until you get at the bottom, remember? Ready? Ready? Feet down! You keep stopping yourself. You hear that puppy? I hear him. Yeah, I think he's over there. Come on, do the ladder. 1, 2, 3, up the ladder. You're getting so good at it. You're such a big girl. Just pay attention. Hold on. Oh, see? Watch your foot there. There you go. You see the birdies in the trees?
Yeah.
Woo! Why are you stopping yourself today? Get up.
I see Puppy. I see her.
Yeah, the puppy's out there? You taking a break already?
Puppy, how are you?
Where are you? You like that big chair? Make sure you sit on your bottom so you don't fall down, okay?
Oh, Mommy.
What?
I see Puppy.
You hear the puppy?
Yeah.
Don't fall over. Where do you, is he next door? Is he in his yard? You can't see yourself anymore because it's on the other side. See, look. We got to turn it this way so you're on the film. You want to do the seesaw? You want to do that again? Go sit on it. Go sit.
I take it.
Okay, are you on it tight? Put your feet down. Put your feet down. There you go. Scoot. Sit down on your butt.
No.
I'm gonna do it. Like yesterday. Come on. Get on it. Hurry. Hurry. Go get on it. Like yesterday. Mommy gonna do it. You want this side? You want to get on this side?
No.
Remember we went up and down. Up and down. Are you picking your nose?
No.
You sure about that? Come on. Ella Hornsey, I miss you. Come back. No digging. Ella, you're supposed to do the... No, put it down. We don't want to get dirty today. Put it down. Put it down for me, please. 1, 2. Huh? Oh, you're going to get in the sawdust? Daddy left that mess from the fence. That'll get in your eyes, baby. We shouldn't play with that. Come on. Come on. Let's go play on your slide. Come on. Hold on tight. Don't look back that way, you'll fall. 1, 2, 3, go! Why are you stopping yourself today? It's not fun if you stop yourself. You gotta slide all the way down. Let's go on down over there. Wanna go up and down? You wanna do up and down? You wanna swing? You wanna swing? No dirt. No. It's disgusting. Hey, you. Let's go up and down over there. It's yucky, so get up. No. Up. You know, for somebody who doesn't like to be dirty, you sure get around it a lot. Come on. Let's go up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up. Do up. Up and down.
Up and down.
Up and down. Are you running? Oh, look at you going fast.
I hear Poppy.
I do too. Can you count for Mommy? 1,
2,
3, 4,
5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What comes after 10? 11, then 12. Right?
Love you.
I love you. Aw, thank you.
Oh, wow.
This isn't good filming when you hug me. Can you say bye? Say bye. Up and down, up and down, up, boom, 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 bounce, 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 down, up and down. Are you holding on tight? Up and down. You want to go higher? Hold on, higher! Yay! Oh, hold on. You're so silly. You okay? That's funny? You want to wipe it on my pants? Okay, right here. Thank you. You're such a dork. I love you. You clean now? Goodness gracious. Goodness forbid you got dirt on you. You don't care you fell. You care you got dirt on your hand. Alright, you all better? Thank you. You want to do it again? You gonna hold tight this time? You want to get on this side? Alright, let me switch sides. I'll switch sides. Oh, you gonna do it yourself? Alright, get on. Get on. Oh, you just want to push it? Sit on it. That side's fun too. What? What am I looking at? What? Dirt still, right? Got a little bit of dirt still on you, don't you? Want to go inside and wash your hands? Oh, good. That's a tough girl. You going on the slide? Hold on tight. Mommy has to be right behind you so I can catch you if something happens.
I'll catch you.
Yay! Good job!